refer to this honorable court as and when this court directs. That right that the accused enjoys, the accused has substantial sureties in addition to his witnesses. We have, as the lawyers explained to these persons we are going to present to you, their duties as sureties.
When they say he's a Ugandan, we agree. When they say he's 39 years of age, we agree. When they say he's a Musoga by tribe, we agree. Where they describe him as an officer and a lawyer, we agree. They have also given you his residence. So they have verified that he has a fixed place of abode. They have verified, Your Worship, the state has verified that he has a fixed place of abode at Mutungo, Zone 5, Nakawa Division. One of the requirements of a bail application is that you must be satisfied that the accused has a fixed place of abode. Are presumed innocent. Whatever is stated at this stage remains an allegation. I also wish to state that from the nature of the offenses with which they are charged, first, they are within your powers to try, and secondly, it is within your discretion. That she is being managed from the Uganda Cancer Institute. That is in Mulago. It is a national and the only referral hospital we have in the country. And all the details, she's being managed by a doctor one called Chibude. So this information can be verified. But this form 6092, for which I don't have a photocopy, I'm going to avail a copy to court. I'm availed a number of X-ray which is undergoing treatment. This treatment is, you will take notice, the treatment of cancer. It is very expensive. I'm advised that the chemotherapy and the cost of treatment is about 5 million a week. I want to conclude on that aspect to urge you that as you consider this explanation, this bail application, putting him away out of circulation, if he is not released, we are almost signing a death warrant for another person who depends on him. So this is a unique situation. We all do not want to be in it, but he's in it. We ask you to consider that.
You love this one. The same as what? Serial number 61696. What is it? The one I have is what? Excuse me. No. You sit. You sit. Please do sit.
I will not have them because what you see there.
Please address your counsel. Your counsel.
So that is what I have.